another puppet show.
Show me your finger. What happened to your finger?
Wait, let's do another puppet show. Sit down.
Okay.
Right there. I'm going to the park. Do you want to come along with me?
Sure.
Come on, let's go. Wee. We're already at the park now. Wee, I'm swimming. Now let's go back home. Wee, now I'm home.
The end.
Wasn't that a silly show?
That was a great show.
And silly?
Yep. Did you have fun with that show?
Yeah.
Yes.
It was mine show. This is my puppet. Her name's Rosetta.
Rosetta.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's like a fairy, but she's a little cast for my finger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why'd you call her Rosetta?
Because it's nice. And look what happened.
Uh-oh, how'd that happen?
It's from a mirror that was broken. It was really sharp. It cut right through my skin.
Whoa. It blew.
And I had put this on.
Yep.
And then it came like a puppet.
Yep.
It's a really long story.
Yep.
But a little bit still hurts.
A little bit hurts, right?
It was my cheese face.
Yeah, it's your cheese face.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheese.